Hello once again, we are in lecture number 8 of profit and loss. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about successive discount. Okay, that means discount after discount. Okay, earlier there was an era where the companies, especially the retailers, the retail clothing brands or different brands, they used to come up with successive discount. As in, we have discount of 50% plus 40%. Yeah, and people used to imagine that okay, 50 plus 40 is 90. Okay, this brand is running 90% discount, but that's not the correct information. 50% plus 40% discount is not equal to 90% discount. This is what we are going to learn in successive discount. Okay, first of all, tell me, discount is offered on which price? Discount percent offered on which price? Mark price. Yes. Yes, I'm really proud of my students. You are learning well, you're practicing well, and most importantly, we are all on the same page. So, successive discount. What is successive discount? Discount after discount. So, here we have 10% discount and then later we have 20% discount. Okay. Now, for successive discount, if you have got only two discounts, let's say A percent and B percent. Okay, then there's a formula. Okay, there's a formula which again I'm as I said earlier also, I don't want to increase the list of formulas for you. I'm just showing you because in some books you might see this formula and the later will complain to me that sir, why are you not showing the formula, why are you not discussing formulas? So no worries. So if there is a successive discount of A% plus B%, so the resultant discount, the final discount, the actual discount, okay, the actual discount would be actual discount percent will be A% plus B% minus AB by 100%. Okay, that means if it is 10% and 20%, with the formula, the discount, the final discount, the actual discount should be, the actual discount percent should be A% which is 10% plus 20% minus 10 into 20 by 100, and that is also in percent. Okay, as per this formula, right? I will show you this question without formula also, don't worry. So here we have 10 plus 20, 30%, minus, here we go, what, 2%, yeah, 1 into 2, 2%. So the final discount is supposed to be how much? 28%, not 30%, right? Did you get it? Yeah. Okay, now this formula will not work if there are 3 successive discount. This formula is only for 2 successive discount, and that's why I keep saying, and I firmly believe that try reducing the formulas list as much as possible. Okay, because you have to remember the formula for 2 successive discount as well as 3 successive discount, and if the number of discount increases. But if you understand the foundation, the basic, then things are much easier for you. Now the basic here I'm going to use is the tip which I have given in percentage chapter. If question is in percentage, option also in percentage, then better off assuming number instead of assuming value. Better off assuming numbers instead of assuming variables. Okay, so discount, single equivalent discount, if I want to calculate, now discount percentage is offer on mark price. Okay, now let me show you how it will work. Discount percent calculate on the mark price. So this is alternate method, alternate solution. I assume mark price to be 100. Yeah, mark price to be 100 rupees. Yes, why mark price to be 100 rupees? Because discount will be applied on mark price. So let's assume mark price first. Okay, and then with this we'll see what is the final selling price, and then we can see the difference. The difference will be discount. Okay, see how it will work. So first discount offered, now I'll start from 100. First discount offered what? 10%. Okay, so first discount is 10%. Discount means decrease. So 100 decreased by 10% become how much? 90. Now successive means what? On this 90 you have another discount which is of 20. Which is of 20. So you need to calculate what is 20% of 90. What is 20% of 90? Yes, what is 20% of 90? अभी एक्चुअली में आपको कैलकुलेशन की ज़रूरत पड़नी नहीं चाहिए. अभी तक आपने अगर मेरा परसेंटेज और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस फॉलो कर रहे हो तो you could directly see, okay, 20% of 90 is nothing but you are going to remove percentage. You have got 2 zeros, so you directly do what? 9 2s are 18. तो 18 रुपीज़ का यहाँ पे 9 2s are 18 ऐसा डिस्काउंट देखने के लिए मिल रहा है. तो 90 minus 18 comes to how much? 90 minus 18 comes to how much? 72, right? So our journey is started. Now see, this is your final price. Now final price at which shopkeeper is selling, right? So that is the final selling price. Now you know that the difference between mark price and selling price is discount. Difference between mark price and the final selling price is discount. So here discount, you can see discount is 28, right? So you can see because we are starting from 100, discount percent calculated on the mark price already being 100, we can directly say that is 28%. Correct? That's the beauty of assuming 100, and that's how you can do with the basic. So that if you have third successive discount, you can apply the third one on 72 in this case. Okay, so I hope this part is clear. Formula is clear. If only 2 successive discounts are given, you can do that. If you want to use with the basics of percentage, you have mark price to be 100, and you can apply the successive discount and come to the final selling price. The number one example which I have given to you at beginning, 50 plus 40. Tell me, 50 plus 40, if you have this as the successive discount given, okay, successive discount given as 50%, and then you have 40%, okay, 50% and 40%. देखो यार, अगर शॉपकीपर को आपको 90% डिस्काउंट देना है तो वाई आर दे गोइंग टू राइट 50% प्लस 40%? दे कुड हैव रिटन 90% डायरेक्टली, राइट? तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया, राइट? So here 50 plus 40, 50% and 40%. This is sometimes they write like 50 plus 40 also. Okay. So why do they write this? Because the value is different. Let me show you what is the value. Do you want me to show with the basics here? Assuming mark price. Shall we do that? Yeah, I like to practice that particular method, so things will be easy for you. Okay, the first discount is 50%, so if I make it 50% less, the new value is 50% less, the new value will be 50 again, correct? On this 50, you're again giving 40% discount, so 50% of 40, so 4 5s are 20, there will be discount of 20 rupees on 50. Understand, this 40%, the next discount is not applied on original mark price, that's applied on the previous price which we got after applying the first discount. ओके, पहला डिस्काउंट अप्लाई करने के बाद जो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू आया है उस पे 40% आपको अप्लाई करना है, ठीक है? तो नाउ यू हैव 20% हियर, 20% माइनस करो, क्या आएगा बताओ? लास्ट में 30 आएगा. अब एक बात बताओ यार, एक बार बताओ, आप ईमानदारी से एक बात बताओ मुझे, यू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 100 एंड देन यू एंड अप विथ 30, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 100 एंड यू एंड अप विथ 30, मुझे एक बात समझाओ, अगर 100 रुपीज़ की चीज़ को आप 30 रुपीज़ में सेल कर रहे हो तो डिस्काउंट कितना ऑफर कर रहे हो? ऑब्वियसली 70। यस, 100 में 100 की चीज़ को आप 30 में सेल कर रहे हो तो फाइनल डिस्काउंट कितना बन रहा है आपका? फाइनल डिस्काउंट कितना बन रहा है? डिस्काउंट बन रहा है आपका 70, राइट। ये जो प्राइस आपका निकल के आया ना, दिस यू शुड से दैट इज सेलिंग प्राइस। ओके, नाउ दिस 70 इज अ डिस्काउंट ऑन 100, सो कैन आई से डायरेक्टली 70%? सच बताओ, टेल मी द ट्रूथ, कैन आई से डायरेक्टली 70%? डू यू अग्री विथ मी और नॉट? यस? अरे नहीं कर रहे हो तो देखो यार, यहाँ पे डिस्काउंट ऑन मार्क प्राइस इंटू 100 करोगे तो 100 कैंसिल होना है, राइट? दैट्स हाउ इट इज। ओके, अब ये जो एग्जाम्पल है ना, दिस एग्जाम्पल, लेट मी रिवर्स दिस सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट वैल्यूज, let me reverse this successive discount values. Okay, let me reverse this successive discounts value. So let me say the successive discount is nothing but 40 plus 50, yeah, 40% and 50%. तो क्या होगा? चले फिर से वही मार्क प्राइस वाला मेथड यूज करके 100 मार्क प्राइस लिया, फर्स्ट डिस्काउंट अप्लाइड हाउ मच? 40%, 40% कम किया, 40% ऑन 100 डायरेक्टली 40, तो कितना आ जाएगा बताओ? 60। अच्छा, 60 पे कितना डिस्काउंट देना है? 50%, द नेक्स्ट वैल्यू। ओके, 50% मतलब 50 हाफ, तो हाफ ऑफ 60 कितना हुआ? 30, ये आपका डिस्काउंट वैल्यू हुआ। 60 में से 30 माइनस किया तो कितना बचा? You get 30. Okay, देखना भी, see the magic, see the magic. You started from 100 and you ended with 30. Mark price you kept it 100 and the selling price you got to be 30. Okay, so here also if I get to see the mark price minus selling price, the discount value is again 70. The discount percentage will be how much? 70 upon 100 into 100. That means 70%. The point I am trying to make here is, if you have 50 plus 40, you have 70% discount. If you have 40 plus 50, you still have 70% discount. Yes, it means you can write a tip here. If you change the order of successive discount, let's make a note here. Okay, tip कर दे, tip. If you change the order of successive discount, then the equivalent single discount will remain same. Okay, it will not change. The equivalent single discount will still remain the same. Okay, ये याद रखना है आपको, हाँ, this is important one. ये आपको याद रखना है. I hope the color is not irritating you. Let me change the color. Highlight. Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, this is how it is. Yes, let's go to the next question. Question number 2. If you understood the first question in another example, then pause this video and try to answer this question. Question says, two shopkeepers sell machines at the same list price. List price means mark price. List price and mark price is one of the same thing. The first allows to successive discount of 30% plus 16%, and the second allows how much? 20% and 26%. Which discount series is more advantageable for more advantages for buyer? More advantages for buyer means which discount percent the buyer, the customer is getting this machine at the lesser price. तो एक बात बताओ मुझे, एक बात समझाओ. You got two selling price, two successive discount. अभी हम लोगों ने फंडामेंट बेसिक यूज करके देखा. ये वाला मैं आपको फॉर्मूला यूज करके ही बताता हूँ. टू सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट से तो फॉर्मूला विल ऑल्सो वर्क वेल. फॉर्मूला क्या है? A% एंड B% का अगर डिस्काउंट दिया है तो आपका इक्वलेंट सिंगल डिस्काउंट क्या हो जाता है? A% प्लस B% माइनस A इंटू B बाय 100%, राइट? ऐसा हो जाता है. चलो पहला वाला ट्राई करते हैं, 30 एंड 16. तो इन केस 1 you got 30% plus 16% minus 30 into 16 by 100 का एक और परसेंटेज साइन. ये केस 1 हुआ. दिस इज व्हाट 46. इसमें से माइनस क्या करना है? 16 3 जा 48 with 0 here, so that gets you decimal, divide by 10 and then percent. 4.5, subtract 4.5 from 46. How much will that give you? 41.2%. That is the case 1. Okay, that's the case 1. This is case 1, single equivalent discount. Now let's see case 2. Yes, so here you have discount which is 20% and 26%. 20% and 26%. देखो देखने में तो ये भी कितना लग रहा है? 20 प्लस 26. देखने में तो ये भी कितना लग रहा है? 46% लग रहा है ना? क्या? और ये भी 30 प्लस 16 कितना लग रहा है? 46%, राइट? बट एक्चुअल में क्या है? एक्चुअल में सिचुएशन क्या है? फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करूं? A% प्लस B% माइनस AB by 100%. You people should be capable of doing with assuming mark price to be 100. वो वहाँ से भी you should be capable of doing this question. Okay. Okay. So 20% plus 26% minus 20 into 26 by 100. Then here you got another percent sign. Again I cancel zeros here, so the first two gets you 46% minus 26 2s are 52, and with this 0 down 10 down, here we will have 5.2%. okay, subtract करो कितना आएगा देखो. 46 minus 5.2, that will get you 40.8%. ओके, ये आपका आया केस 2. केस 1 का 41.2%, केस 2 40.8%. मतलब डिस्काउंट, जहाँ पे डिस्काउंट ज़्यादा मिलेगा कस्टमर के लिए वो फेवरेबल है ना, वो एडवांटेजेस है, राइट? तो विच स्कीम विल बी एडवांटेजेस फॉर द कस्टमर? इट विल बी the first case 1, this 30 plus 16, this will be advantageous for the customer, for the buyer. Okay, that's the answer. This is the answer, the first case. Let's see question number 3. What do we have here? What do we have here? What do we have here? Yes, two shopkeepers sell machines at the same list price, and then you have got successive discount of 20 and 30 and 30 and 20, and then second one is the 20 and 30. एक बात बताओ, दोनों में डिफरेंस है क्या? Yeah, I have given you one example here. Where? Here. If you change the order of discount, then equivalent single discount will still remain the same. Yeah, we have taken one example, 40-50, 50-40. Yeah, so if it is 20-30, first case one is 30 and 20, and case 2 is 20 and 30. Will they give you different single equivalent discount? No, they are going to give you same. Okay, so which one will be advantageous for buyer? Both will be equally likely, right? Both will give you same outcome, correct? So simple, both are same. Okay, now you must be wondering, why am I not solving questions with options? Hold on. Hold your horses, people. The lecture 9, lecture 10, in both we have options, okay? And we are yet to solve homework. Alright, so this is it in today's video, lecture number 8, successive discount. I hope to see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.